Our next caller, Hari, is calling us from Chennai. Hari, hi, a very good morning to you. I believe you have a question on TCS.
Hi, Magma. This is Hari here. Yeah, my question is on TCS. I have like 70 at 3,845 is the average price.
Right.
I know like overall IT pack is not doing good. I don't want to sell it. Like I'm continuing to hold. My question is like, can we accumulate at this level, or we need to wait and watch how the entire the sector is going to do, or the geo factors as well? Yeah.
Okay, Hari, I got your question loud and clear. I'll take this up with Saurabh again. Saurabh, considering everything that's happened in the IT space, the earnings, etc., what's your view on TCS, and especially with something that's happened today? It's set to cut around 12,000 odd jobs amidst the demand slump that the entire sector is seeing. What's the view like?
I think the news was not taken good by the markets. But if you look at the overall industry scenario, IT industry scenario, I think there is no point in doing buying contrarian buying, because till now there is no signs of good higher spending or discretionary spending. How the US markets will pan out and the Europe market will pan out is another question. Till you see the signs of growth, I think there is no point of buying more. And albeit you have said that you want to hold it for the long term, then you can hold for the long term.
Got it. Okay, I do want to point out, Hari and everybody else watching, we have a special program that we lined up for you at 12 p.m. today, because if the bellwether of the sector, Tata Consultancy Services, has announced job cuts of 2% of its workforce, and more importantly, if it is in the mid-level and the senior level that these job cuts have taken place, then there are likely to be implications for the rest of the IT sectors as well. It's not necessarily only a factor of the demand situation. It could also be a factor of the fact that these individuals have been on the rolls but have been benched for over a quarter, and redundancies tend to creep in as you go higher up the pecking order in the IT space, and because of the way that technology is changing so dramatically. So what do you need to know? Watch at 12. We've got a next question from Gul, who's writing in from Kerala, and he's got Punjab National Bank, or rather PNB Housing, that he's bought at levels of 1,038 for a period of 1 year. Is it advisable to add more, and if yes, at what price should he do so? So the question is to you, Ajit, on the technicals. What should he do with this? He's bought at levels of 1038.
So Alex, it's currently quoting closer to its buying price, and PNB Housing is among the top performing name within the housing finance basket of late. In fact, if you see that most of the name, they are struggling, either trading down or trading in a very tight range. On the other hand, we have seen a very sharp recovery, and it's currently hovering in a very tight range here after this recent rebound. Fresh buying, I would recommend him to wait and let this stock surpass 1150 mark, because that's the area basically where we have multiple resistances. Once we surpass this level, then we might see a next leg of the up move, which could help the stock to inch toward 1300, 1400 zone. At the same time, 950 is important to hold. So since the view is short to medium term, he can continue to maintain his position with 950 as a closing stop loss.
Got it. All right. So that's a comprehensive view on PNB Housing for you.